Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trim videos using LosslessCut. So first thing is just simply open up the Lossless application. Now from here, you could just simply drag a file. So guys, I will be using a file from one of my recordings. So from here, just simply click and drag it. And now let's zoom in. Now from here, you could just simply go ahead and select a starting location. Let's say I'm gonna go for this one over here. I'm gonna trim the starting point and click on this icon over here. Now for that, just simply go to another location. So guys, let's say I want to trim this part over here at the end of the screen. And you could just simply go ahead and select this one over here to trim it down. Now just simply select export down below and you will have here a bunch of files or text. So in my case, just simply don't do anything and just simply click on export to trim the video. And after that, just simply select show and you should be able to have the file that is trimmed down over here. So guys, the original video is 339 as you can see over here, and now the video is 320. I hope this simple video helped you out. Thanks for watching.